Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to see how to set up an AI receptionist on the Yeastar PBX. We'll go to the AI tab, AI Receptionist, and click the Add button. It'll ask for a name, we'll enter one. We'll keep this default number and leave this option as is. Next, we'll select the language, choose a voice, and click Next. Then we'll enter the services the company offers. We can add the address and business hours and click Next. Here we'll type the welcome message, paste some text, click Next, select all extensions so the AI can contact anyone we specify directly. This grants it permission to dial, and click Next. For example, if someone doesn't answer, we can set an extension as a backup, click Save, wait a moment for it to finish, apply the changes, and if we go to Online Test, here we can start a conversation directly with the AI. Once it's set up, we'll assign that AI receptionist to the inbound route. We'll go to Call Control, Inbound Route, edit the rule, scroll down, and under Destination, select AI Receptionist. Here we'll choose which AI we configured, click Save and Apply, and then make a call. We'll dial the number.
Welcome to Company X. If you know the extension number, please dial it now. Otherwise, please stay on the line and one of our assistants will help you.
Transfer to a mobile extension.
I am not sure where you would like to be transferred. Please briefly say who or which department you want to reach, for example, sales, support, or a specific person's name.
Then to a mobile phone.
Would you like me to connect you with a human agent who can help with your transfer?
Yes. The call was transferred there. That concludes the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.